Matiu 7. Make una no judge. Make una no dey judge people anyhow, so that God no go judge una. Because as una dey judge, na so God go take judge una. And as una do to other people, na so dem go do una too. Why you dey see the small dirty wey dey your brother eye, but you no dey see the big wood wey dey for your own? How you wan take tell your brother say, make I remove the dirty wey dey your eye, when big wood dey your own? You wey dey pretend, first remove the big wood wey dey your eye, then you go fit see the small dirty for your brother own. Make una no dey give dog things wey dey holy, or throw your gold give pig, because dem go mash am with their leg, turn face you, then come tear you to pieces. Ask, look for, and knock. When you ask for something, God go give am to you. When you look for something, you go see am. And when you knock, the door go open for you. Anybody wey ask for something go get am. Anybody wey dey find something go see wetin e dey find. And person wey knock door, dem go open for am. E get any of una wey im pikin go ask am for bread and e go give am stone? Or if the pikin ask for fish, you go give am snake? If you wey bad fit give your pikin good thing, you think say God wey dey heaven no go give better thing to people wey ask am? Because of this, make you treat people as you want make people dem treat you. Because na so dem write am for the prophets and Moses' law. Small gate. Make you pass the small gate enter. Because the gate where people go pass go suffer wide well, and many people dey waka enter. But the gate where people dey pass enter life small well, and e hard to enter, and na only few people go fit see am. The tree and im fruit. Make you shine your eye, because lie prophets go come like sheep, but for inside their hearts dem be wicked animal wey dey kill. You go know dem with wetin dem dey do. People no dey gather grape or fig from shukushuku. So too, every good tree go bear good fruit, but bad tree go bear bad fruit. Good tree no go fit bear bad fruit, and bad tree no go fit bear good fruit. Any tree wey no bear good fruit, dem go cut am down, come throw am inside fire. So, you go know the lie prophets with wetin dem dey do. God go judge people wey dey pretend. No be everybody wey dey call God, Oga God, go enter God kingdom. But na only the people wey dey do wetin my Papa for heaven want. For that day where God go judge everybody, many people go say, Oga God, we use your name preach God message, drive many demons comot from people body and do many miracles. That time I go say, I no know you. Make you comot from where I dey. You wey wicked well. Hear and do. Person wey dey hear my word and do wetin I talk, e be like wise man wey build im house on top rock. When rain fall, water come full the ground, then strong breeze come blow the house. E no go fall, because dem build am on top rock. But person wey hear my word and e no do am, E be like foolish man wey build im house on top sand. When rain fall, water come full the ground, then strong breeze come blow the house. Na once e go fall, scatter for ground. After Jesus don talk all these things, the people surprise for the way wey e dey teach, because he teach them like person wey get authority and not be as their law teachers dey do. All of us for Barnabas Corner dey say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then una go click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video, una phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.